in Garfield, New Jersey. Herman, we just finished your vinyl siding. Let me ask you, what do you think about the quality of the work?
You guys did a good job on time and everything. It's been a beauty having you.
That's fantastic. And let me ask you, what did you think? I know you were on a budget. What did you think about the price? Did we work with you?
I had 2 contractors come in. You guys did everybody.
OJ channel, starter strip, straight.
Here we are. We just installed vinyl cedar shake siding on this house. We're on the front now, and as you can see, it was a tear-off.
For your free consultation and estimate, or go to one of our websites.
That trim board, we're getting a nice panel look on it. We have some cold molding between the blocks. It's just finishing up right now. You see, that's what you want. That's what you want with every course once you install.
You can see the lumber. What we've done here, instead of putting a column on the bottom,
OJ channel, starter strip, straight.
the siding and carpentry work at John's house from Livingston. And John, basically, we want to say, what do you think about the job that we just completed?
Well, again, it's excellent work. This is the second time Bruce and his crew have worked here. They resided the whole house, and I was very pleased. And when I needed this extra work done, I decided to call Bruce firsthand, not even getting any other proposals.